program. And there are, as per usual, seen a lot here in Phoenix, a lot of transplanted New Yorkers, a lot of Nick jerseys, a lot of my jerseys today. Anthony's jump shot is good. And Knicks up 12.
5 consecutive points for Melo now. He's starting to percolate.
Moses, let me see it. Try to give it to me. Give it to me so I give it to me.
Inside. Foul.
So Booker looking to take over, had a 3 ball. He put up an 8 ball. This time getting penetration to get to the free throw line.
Well, Anthony's last spot. Now moving into a tie with Clyde Drexler for 29-2. The all-time NBA scoring list, and that will continue to move up. Booker misses the first free throw.
Wow, the Suns are dreadful from the line. 27th in field goal percentage, but they pushed their last 3 free throw attempts.
That foul is on Porzingis. Galloway checks in for Vujacic. And Vujacic, it just, for the starters, brings a little bit of energy, Clyde. He just plays so hard, he gets up into you defensively.
Yeah, he makes things happen, man. He's an energizer. So the Knicks
That's why you smell him. You were like, yeah.
That's why Sasha was given a starting job tonight.
Calderon taken away by Price. Just took it right out of his hands, and Price finishes.
Price was right. Price only 6'2", showing his hops that time.
Anthony comes up, back to Calderon. Price playing aggressively again, trying to reach around. Calderon gets free. Jump shot is good. That was definitely an answer back after what Price did to him the previous time down the floor.
Calderon only had not scored, so he's finally on the books.
All 5 starters have scored. Galloway now the lone sub out there. Good time poked away by Calderon. Who touched it last? Still Phoenix ball 10 to shoot.
You like that recovery by Calderon. Going down, losing the ball, guys dunking on him. He comes right back to score. This time good hands, almost forcing the turnover.
That was an angry possession.
Retaliatory.
Booker, Galloway gets caught on the screen, but good enough defense from Lopez. Teletovic way outside, and the Knicks will get it back.
Crowded buzz now by the ineptitude of the Suns. Their shot selection very dubious.
Earl Watson, who had a nice career as a player, played 13 years. Galloway finds Porzingis, left corner 3. And Chandler the rebound. Teletovic goes right at Porzingis, draws the foul, and 1. Impressive move from Teletovic, and Porzingis picks up his second personal.
So we've seen fortitude. We paid homage to Calderon for retaliating after turning it over. Teletovic just put up an ill-advised shot. Comes right back to get to the free throw line.
So with the second foul, Porzingis will sit, although he played longer in the first quarter than Kurt Rambis has been playing in the initial period. Lopez sits down too as Kyle O'Quinn and Derek Williams comes in. That drive to the basket. The dealers, hurry to your local Tri-Hunter dealer for great deals as Teletovic completes the 3-point play.
O'Quinn was very offensive-minded last night, so was Williams.
Galloway, no hesitation there. Misfires. He's trying to get himself on track offensively.
Yeah, he's been missing it from the field as well as the free throw line for Galloway. But his defense is what's keeping him out on the court. All over to Teletovic now.
Foul there on an entry pass. Galloway picks up his first there. We'll take a timeout. 8-point Knick lead here in the first from Phoenix, Arizona.